Samantha LaRocca with your 18 Storm Team forecast.
Well, good Monday morning. Live HD radar showing dry conditions, and that's how we'll stay for the next few days. We had a front pass through the region yesterday, sparked some showers, but high pressure has moved in behind it. That's why we're going to stay dry. We are looking at current temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We're at 69 degrees in Watkins Glen, 68 degrees in Sayre, 66 in Mansfield. So we'll start off the morning with cooler temperatures in the upper 40s to low 50s. So you definitely need a sweater this morning if you are headed out the door early. But by the afternoon hours, we will warm up into the 80s. Good Monday morning. We are seeing a line of showers ahead of an approaching cold front. We're actually seeing some severe thunderstorm warnings to the west of us. Later morning, early afternoon, that's when we could see the potential for some severe weather, which means we could see gusty winds, large hail, and also some heavy rainfall. So please keep that in mind today if you do have any outdoor activities planned. We're 57 in Watkins Glen, 56 in Spencer, and 54 degrees currently in Wellsboro. We are seeing some fog this morning, so please leave extra time when headed out the door and also headed to school. Some of us in PA are headed to school this morning, and temperatures will be about 52 degrees on average with those areas of fog. Good morning. Just because school's starting doesn't mean those cool temperatures are coming. That was always the worst thing. You'd go buy all new fall clothes and then it'd be like 80 degrees and you can't even wear your good sweaters yet.
Nope, not yet.
No good sweaters
Save them for October.
Yes, and you're going to have to
November.
save them. It's shorts and t-shirt kind of day, folks. Now we do have this front passing through the region today, so ahead of it, we're going to see showers and thunderstorms. Behind it, cooler temperatures, still above average in the mid-80s, so not that cool.
That's right, 6:30 right now, so let's get a check of the forecast.
Sounds good. 18 Storm Team Samantha LaRocca is here with us. Good morning, Samantha. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing great. We're starting off with a few sprinkles here in the Twin Tiers, but we are expecting some scattered showers throughout most of the region today. Not everybody's going to see rainfall, though. Cooler temperatures are behind a front that's going to pass today. Sunshine in store for tomorrow. So with this cold front today, we still have warm temperatures in play for the Twin Tiers in the lower 80s. Once this front passes through the region, we're going to see cooler temperatures behind it in the 70s, which is below average for this time of year. We do have Tropical Depression 8. That's in the Atlantic right now. Now it's going to push off to the northeast. Thankfully, not expected to make landfall. Could bring some showers and thunderstorms to the Carolinas, but other than that, now that it's pushing off to the northeast, not expecting to make landfall. We also have Tropical Depression 9 that's going to be upgraded to a tropical storm by today, and that's expected to make landfall Thursday in the afternoon and evening hours for Florida. So those are two things we are looking at in the Atlantic and also in the Gulf of Mexico. So those two spots could bring some heavy rainfall to some locations. Here at home, though, we are looking at just scattered showers throughout the region. Current temperatures 63 degrees in Corning. We're at 63 degrees in Elmira, 61 degrees in Spencer, and 63 degrees currently in Towanda. When heading to school this morning, on average temperatures about 63. A few sprinkles are possible. Winds are out of the southwest, anywhere from about 5 to 10 miles per hour. At 9 o'clock, we'll still be in the lower 60s, about 76 degrees at noon today with scattered showers possible, then scattered showers and the possibility of a thunderstorm more likely at 4 o'clock in the afternoon with temperatures about 81. 79 degrees at 6 o'clock. We can see some wet weather at 6 o'clock as well, and overnight tonight into tomorrow. We'll start off the day with some showers as well. Coming up, I'll have your 7-day forecast and what you can expect for the rest of this week.
We're going to be seeing some fog. That's what I saw on my way into work. And Samantha, is that what everyone else is going to be seeing on their way in today as well?
That's right. We are seeing dense fog in some locations. We have our dew points and our temperatures. They're relatively close. That's why we're seeing fog this morning. Now notice here on the live HD radar, things look much better today. We're just seeing a few clouds out there this morning, and we are going to see plenty of sunshine by the afternoon. It is going to be hot and humid today. Temperatures will actually be in the low to mid 90s, but with those heat indices, temperatures are going to feel as though they are warmer than what they are. It's going to feel about 100 degrees out there. So please leave those outdoor activities limited today, folks, because it's not worth being outside if you don't need to be. Well, good Friday morning. We're seeing a few peaks of sunshine to start off the day. Increasing cloud coverage is headed our way, and we do have rain in store for Saturday and for Sunday. Today we have a few showers in the forecast, but most of us are looking at dry conditions. And right now we're actually starting off with pretty clear conditions when it comes to cloud coverage. We had those showers overnight really to the south of us. We didn't see any heavy rainfall, but we did have that possibility. That system just stayed to the south, though. Notice here, we do have high pressure in store next week, so that's going to push on through, moving from west to east. We do have that area of low pressure that brought some showers to the Pennsylvania, lower parts of Pennsylvania area, and we do have the chance of showers from this system headed our way, but it's looking like just scattered showers for this Friday. Current temperatures in the 60s on this Friday morning, starting off with rather nice conditions. We're seeing lower visibilities, though. Visibilities down to 7 miles in Hornell, down to about 8 in Sayre, 8 in Spencer, and 8 in Towanda. High for today, 85 degrees, a few showers in play, but most of us are looking at dry conditions. But we will be mostly cloudy by the end of the day, drier evening ahead. Tomorrow, 80 degrees, showers and thunderstorms. And then looking at Sunday, showers likely, 81 degrees. It's looking like more rainfall for Sunday than for Saturday. Monday, a chance of showers, partly sunny skies. Then Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, upper 80s with sunshine. But our main concern this morning is that fog. So you just want to be careful when headed out the door this morning, as we are seeing those foggy conditions, especially in the valleys.
So you're stuck with Samantha and I. All those top stories and more coming up in just a few minutes. We've got a lot of news to talk about, Samantha, but also
A lot of weather.
A lot of weather. It was wild out there yesterday.
It was, yes. We started off the day with some scattered showers, and we had a lot of moisture in the atmosphere. We have that set up for today, where the possibility of a thunderstorm is still in play. That would be in the later afternoon hours. Could see a few sprinkles out there as well. But right now, we're starting off with dry conditions, plenty of sunshine.
Could actually see a bit of this tropical storm, Hermine, which we understand might turn into a hurricane a little bit later on. I know Samantha's been tracking it overnight, and you have the latest. Good morning.
I do. Good morning. It's still in the Gulf of Mexico right now. It's still a tropical storm, Hermine, like you said. Now, by tonight, it's expecting to turn into a Category 1 hurricane. So they are under a hurricane watch right now in Florida, which would mean gusty winds, heavy rainfall. This is the projected track. So as of yesterday, it was supposed to move a little bit more to the northeast. Now it's actually being pushed more to the west. So that means it's going to affect more states: South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia. And we also, by Sunday, could see some heavy rainfall from this system. It would really be the eastern part of our viewing area, but it's looking like this track is actually pushing a little bit more to the west.
That's right, and she joins us now with all the information that we need to know to start our day. Good morning, Samantha.
Good morning.
Good morning. Yeah, we'll focus on that first before we get to our local weather. About 1:30 overnight, we saw Hurricane Hermine actually make landfall. Right now, it is still in Florida, now moving into Georgia. Now, if you look closely, there's red boxes, also green boxes. Not only is the hurricane over them, we're also seeing tornado warnings, flash flood warnings. Eye of the storm, you can actually see right here in the middle, and it's moving in that counterclockwise motion, that area of low pressure. Now, we do have that system moving from west to east that's going to bring us those showers. We do have the possibility of some severe thunderstorms that can't be ruled out today, like I said, with gusty winds.